Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about this Goo Goo hair extension. The hair is giving me life. Look at that. I'm going to show you guys how I install the hair, and this is what the packaging looks like. The packaging comes with loads of amazing goodies. It comes with an eyelashes, it comes with a crunches, it comes with an extra clips, it comes with a clipping, it also comes with an instruction of how to take good care of your hair and how to install your hair, and it also comes with a certificate of assurance to replacement of your accessories. So this is what the hair looks like straight out of the box. Look at that, the colors are popping. I love the color combo of this hair. It's well blended, and look at that, I love it. So yeah, this is what the hair I'm wearing looks like initially. So I'm going to show you guys how I install the hair to give it more length, more volume, and you know, that bow pow look. And look at the clippings, guys. It's so discreet. I love the top of the extension, how it's the construction of the extensions is so discreet. You can barely tell if someone is wearing an extension. Look at that. It's neatly sewn, professionally made, and I am in for it. So I section my hair randomly everywhere I want to apply the extensions, and I open the clips, brush the hair a bit, which is not necessary, and then clip in the hair. It's as simple as that. Look at how that looks. Very neat, professionally made. I love it, and the color is just out of this world. Like, the color is everything for me. It's everything. My black hair looks awake. It just wakes the wig up. Like, it gives you that bow power look. you know it gave life to the hair. You know that this is actually give it popping. Like, the colors are popping, if that makes sense. Like that. I just love the construction of the extension. I can't explain how I feel compared to what I've tried in the past. The construction of the extensions is just amazing. Like, very barely there. You can barely tell that I'm wearing any extension at all. Look at that. And they are very easy to install and very lightweight on the head, and also very comfortable as well. Look at that. Very comfortable. I love it. And the fact that the color blends well and the hair blends well with the hair I'm wearing, I just, like, hands down give them this standing ovation. I love it. I love it. In terms of the quality, is definitely a must buy. Look at that. And then I apply the wig or the hair to cover it. So you can go for any part with this hair. You can use this to do ponytail, you can use it to do center parts, you can use it for half parts, you can use it to do any style of your choice. But I decided to go for side parts on this occasion, and I am loving it. It's not bulky, it's not obvious, and the construction is just wow. And the color for me as well, you'd have thought because it's a colored extension that it's going to tangle anything like that, but nothing of such. The quality of the hair is amazing. There's no tangling, there's no shedding whatsoever, and it blended perfectly, like perfectly with the wig I'm wearing. Perfectly. I also tried it on my natural hair, but I didn't show you guys because my hair is something else at the moment, and the hair really did well. I love how it blended with my natural hair as well, just like the wig as well. But the only difference is that my hair is shorter than the wig I'm wearing. But otherwise, you can actually use it as a ponytail, use it to add volume to your hair, use it to give colors to your hair, use it to give your hair that pop of color. And bear in mind that they have all types of colors on their website. They have blonde 613, they have black, and they also have all types of hair extension on their websites, and they're very affordable. Another thing I love about this brand is the fact that they give you that assurance and guarantee that you will get extra, like extra accessories, you know, when you purchase your hair, just in case you need them. And that for me is just amazing. Like, bear in mind that the quality of the hair and the construction of the extension is really, really good. So you might not be needing them, but they just, you know, guarantee that you're gonna get them just in case. You never can tell, you know. But yeah, I am loving this. Look at that. You would have thought that I had a head full of that color, but I didn't. It's just how amazing the hair is. Very, very full and very, very lightweight on the head, and very easy to install and very easy to, you know, take out as well. I really, really love this brand's hair, and I would definitely recommend that you guys check them out, because if you need quality hair, you don't have to look around. Just go straight to Goo Goo Hair and you will be amazed.
I'm walking around in the circle of life, doing the things I know, walking the same ways 100 times with the same soul. But do you ever try?
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Goo Goo Hair extension I'm wearing right now. I am loving it. Look at that, very, very soft, and the color combo is just amazing. So I'm just gonna go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight out of the box is the color of this hair. Like, seriously, the color of the hair is popping. Straight out of the box, I was like, wow. I love the blend of the blonde with the black, and everything going on with the hair color is just giving what it's supposed to give, and I am in for it. Another thing I love about this clipping hair extension is the fact that it's very, very light to hit on the head, and it's also very discreet. Like, seriously, I love, love, love the edge of the hair clip. Where the hair clip is placed, it's so discreet that you can barely tell that there is actually hair extension in this hair at all, and it blends well with my hair. It's so natural, and the quality of the hair is just fantastic. I actually straightened the hair for you guys to see, but trust me, you don't really have to straighten it out of the box because the hair is silky straight out of the box. Hair was super duper silky. Like, look at that, super duper silky, and I am loving it. Another thing I love about this hair is the quality of this hair. Despite the fact that it's a colored hair extension, the quality of the hair is just fantastic. I mean, look, it felt so, you know, silky, and the luster on the hair is just fantastic. Look at that, I am loving it. And the fact that it gave that pop of color to the hair I'm wearing right now. Pop of color is well blended and, you know, looks so natural. I am loving this. I'll definitely be keeping this in a very special place. Look at that. You can wear this whenever you need to add volume to your hair, or you need a pop of color in your hair or anything like that. I am loving this. I like the fact that it's super duper soft. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever. I was able to comb the hair smoothly without any tangling or shedding at all. I am loving this. Look at that. The quality of the hair, the color of the hair, the weight of the hair is just amazing. So if you guys don't know Goo Goo Hair, Goo Goo Hair are a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have clipping hair extensions and they have all types of hair extension colors and lengths on their website. So if you visit their website, you definitely find something for you and your love. Another thing I love about this brand is the fact that their shipping was really quick. It took exactly 4 days to get in the UK, which is really amazing in my opinion. The fact that they paid attention to details when it comes to the packaging of their products. The packaging is really cheeky, very stylish, and travel friendly. Their packaging actually comes with loads of amazing goodies, and part of the goodies is how to install your head and the types of extensions they have, and how to take good care of your hair and all of those stuff is actually in this manual, which is really amazing. If you're new to wearing hair extension, definitely giving you the confidence and assurance that you need to, you know, help you be able to look gorgeous and popping without having to go to any salon to install your hair and things like that, or watch videos forever and ever on YouTube. And another thing I love about this brand is the fact that they actually hair accessory replacement guarantee. Oh my god, that's just amazing. So you'll be getting 3 new accessories if you know they are broken or anything like that, which I'm not sure you'll be having that problem, but if at all that happens, you'll be rest assured that you will get a replacement of, you know, your accessories. And that for me is reassuring, knowing the fact that I'll be able to get a replacement if at all, if anything happened to the accessories of the hair or, you know, things like that. That's really amazing. I love that about the brand, and it gives me the assurance that yes, I can confidently shop with them without having to worry or stress about any problem with the hair whatsoever. But would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely. I would definitely recommend Goo Goo Hair. In terms of quality, it's definitely a plus for me. In terms of how easy it is to install the hair, it's definitely a plus for me. And in terms of the construction of the clippings and how comfortable the clippings are on my head, is definitely a plus for me. And in terms of their shipping, it's definitely a plus for me. So in terms of the fact that they actually guarantee that they would be replacing all of the accessories mentioned in this leaflet, is definitely a plus for me. So yeah, I would definitely recommend you guys check out Goo Goo Hair for all your amazing quality hair extensions. Like, look at that. And bear in mind that they have different types of colors on their website. They have black, they have blonde, they have all types of hair color on their website as well. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.